Welcome everyone. Let's assemble this vlogging kit. If you want to buy it from AliExpress, the link is in the description. Let's open the box. First of all, take out the stand. Click the button here to adjust. Then put the phone holder. Next, the flashlight. You will need some batteries. Put it in the direction you need. If you want to capture your face or something in front of you. Finally, let's put the microphone. If you can't put it in, just open this roller first, then close it. Don't forget to put the microphone into your phone. Here you can open it to stand. And a button for adjusting the flashlight. Very good, I really like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.